snow that's icy. got the two halves off the I don't know what you want to call it, the thing that I put it on, the rotisserie thing, I don't know, with the resin. Yeah, not the happiest with the resin, as you can see. Some air bubbles there, some more on that side, but it is all covered. I mean, it's not the most even job in the world, but it is all covered. And then it burned when I was trying to get rid of I got rid of most of the air bubbles, but there was some that just wouldn't go. Yeah, and it burned there, which is really annoying, but you know, it is what it is. I guess you could say those would be the bubbles that are in the rat's fur when it's swimming anyway, so it's just more points for realism. But yeah, let me know if you guys prefer it if I talk more or just have the music and just get on with it more, because I don't really know what is like the best mix, if you know what I mean. Like I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about that, I guess. Yes, just let me know. Is that just gone in the super glue? Just got the connections dry fit in there right now, just to see what it's like, and yeah, pretty good. So I'll just get those glued in now. I'll do that off camera because it's very fiddly, but yeah, there we go, glued up, ready to go. Somehow when I was doing it, oh, where is it? Yeah, dashed my finger on something. I don't know what, but there we go. Now I can say that my blood and sweat went into this. Tears a little bit when I burned the resin there. So blood, sweat and tears. So Sam, when you're watching this, I hope you appreciate that. I'm sure you will. But yeah, there you go. Just a few more final touches now, and then he's ready. Right, I'm at the canal. It seems like there's even less water in it than last time I was here. Actually no, it's about the same, but it's still pretty empty. I don't know if you can see right now, but there's currently a storm that's coming through, so the wind is just it's pretty ridiculous. But what was I saying? Yeah, just got the trebles on, so I'm just gonna, there's just one spot that's up there by the sort of drain. I'll try there for sort of, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, if that. I'll get some footage of it swimming, and then I'm gonna head off because I don't particularly want to stick around in the wind in this. Okay, it doesn't have much of an action, to be honest. I think the fix for that, oh, you can't really see. The fix for this would be to put a lip on it, which I was originally going to do, but then I just couldn't be bothered, I guess. Well, I just didn't, I don't know. Yeah, I just thought maybe I could get away with not having one, but if I ever make another one of these, I'll put a lip on it so you get better action. But I found if you sort of jerk it as you reel it in, and you can't even see it will give it a better action than nothing. And also if you sort of reel and then like real kind of jerky reel it in, you'll get sort of decent action out of it. So it does, I think it will catch fish, you know. Yes, man.